pause video and read problem carefully and find out the given. Number 15, we use two basic formulas. First is the relation in between refractive index and wavelength, which is n is equal to lambda 1 upon lambda 2. Here lambda 1 is the wavelength of a light in a first medium and lambda 2 is the wavelength of a light in a second medium. Here the second medium or the refracting medium whose refractive index is n. We also know this relation is c upon v, which is here this is the velocity of light in air and this is the velocity of light in a medium, right? And according to Snell's law, this formula is also sin I upon sin r, right? Now here we use this formula, and in Young's double slit experiment the angular separation is theta is equal to lambda upon a, right? Here theta is the wavelength, theta is the angular separation, lambda is the wavelength, and a is the slit width, right? Here we use these two formulae for problem number 15. Now what is the given? Given is here wavelength is lambda is equal to 589 nanometer, right? And next, angular separation before this system or this arrangement is immersed in water is 0.20 degree, right? This is 0.20 degree. Now this arrangement is immersed in a water. Now here we consider lambda 1 is the wavelength before immersed in water, and lambda dash it is the wavelength after immersed in a after immerse in a water, right? Lambda dash is the wavelength after immerse in a water, and lambda is the wavelength before immerse in a water, right? Now here we get the relation in between wavelength and refractive index is n is equal to lambda upon lambda dash, and here the n is given, which is 1.33, right? Now angular separation. Now theta dash is the angular separation after immerse in a water, which is theta dash is equal to lambda dash upon a, right? Now this is the formula after immerse in a water. This is the after immerse in water. Now what is the formula before immerse in water, which is theta is equal to lambda upon a, right? Now by using this formula, a is equal to what? A is equal to lambda upon theta, right? A is equal to lambda upon theta. Now put this formula in this formula, we get theta dash is equal to lambda as it is, lambda dash as it is divided by lambda upon theta. ठीक है, simple है. Now by using this formula, we know that n is equal to lambda upon lambda dash, and therefore here we get lambda dash is equal to lambda upon n. Now here we put lambda dash is equal to lambda upon n. Therefore here we get theta dash is equal to lambda upon n divided by lambda upon theta as it is, right? Here lambda get cancelled. The remaining formula is 1 upon n divided by 1 upon theta. So here we get theta upon n. So this formula becomes theta dash is equal to theta upon n. ठीक है? मतलब here we get by putting the given theta is 0.20 degree and divided by refractive index, which is 1.30. Now by using logarithmic table, we get the reciprocal of 1.33 and multiply to the 0.20. We get theta dash is equal to 0.15 degree, and this is the angular separation after this double slit arrangement is immersed in a water, right? This is very simple problem. Now in this problem number 16, here we first find out the angular separation between the central maxima and an adjacent maxima, suppose, which is denoted by theta, right? Now second, we find out the distance between the central maxima and first maxima or first maximum, which is suppose denoted by y1b. What is y1b? y1b is the distance from the central maxima to the first bright maxima. ठीक आहे, जो फर्स्ट ब्राईट मॅक्झिमा असेल त्याचं ते डिस्टन्स आपण किती मानले, y1b मानले. आणि थीटा काय दिलेले आहे, तर सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा आणि फर्स्ट जो ब्राईट बँड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये असलेलं अँग्युलर सेपरेशन किती मानले, थीटा मानले. ठीक आहे, दोन व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे आहे. नाउ व्हॉट इज द गिवन? द गिवन कंडिशन इन दिस प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 16 इज the slits are separated by a distance which is equal to the 100 times the wavelength of light passing through this slit. That means suppose separation is denoted by d and wavelength is denoted by lambda, which is 100 times the lambda. Therefore here we get d is equal to 100 lambda. Okay, this is the first given. And here the screen which is at a distance d is equal to 50 centimeter. Right? These are the given. Now what is theta? By formula, theta is equal to lambda upon d. Right? In problem number 15 we get the angular separation which is theta is equal to lambda upon a. Right? Here we denote the separation between the two sources is d. Therefore here we get theta is equal to lambda upon d. Right? Now for the second calculation, y1b which is equal to 1 lambda d upon d. Right? Here 1 indicates the first bright band. Right? Now by using this formula we know that lambda upon d is nothing but the theta. Therefore we also get y1b is equal to theta d. Right? Now by using the given we find first theta. Here theta is equal to lambda, theta is equal to lambda upon d. Therefore here we put lambda as it is and d is equal to 100 lambda. Here lambda get cancelled. Here we answer it becomes theta is equal to 1 upon 100, which is 10 raised to 2 or 0.01 radian. Or right, this is the answer of the angular separation theta. Now y1b is equal to what? Theta d. Therefore here we get y1b is equal to theta is equal to 0.01 into d is equal to how much, which is 50 centimeter. So the answer becomes 0.5 centimeter. ठीक है, it is also a very simple problem.